Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video we are going to swatch this new collection by CND that I received as a sample, and this one is called Wild Romantics. And yes, we're going to swatch these colors on real nails, so you're gonna see how the formula is.
Real stain nails.
Yeah, this is a bit of a stain from one of the green nail polish that we recently did. Not CND. But anyway, so we're going to do 2 nails each, and a couple of them are going to get one color. And yeah, we're gonna see how they apply and how the formula is, and we're gonna talk about the shades as well. All right, so the first one, it's wrapped in linen. And we already did comparison kind of video.
Wow.
We compared it to other colors. In our live, our emergency live.
It was an impromptu live. As soon as we got
we're gonna do 2.
Yeah, as soon as we got the product, we made sure that we ran here to the studio to film it for all of you.
Like literally, pretty much ran.
Literally.
Yeah.
Literally.
Okay, so the first coat. So the Vinylux doesn't need a base coat. It is supposed to be applied without a base coat. So this is good. It's pretty creamy. It's a little fluffy. All right. The second color is called Candlelight, and this is the one that we're going to use for a manicure later. Right?
As I like to call it, flaming mustard. Don't ask. I don't even understand it myself.
And this color is much brighter than it kind of looks in the bottle.
I'd say it looks nicer than what you'd expect.
Yeah. See? And the brushes are, as usual, fantastic. So yeah, the first coat is thin, so it will dry quickly.
It looks a little streaky at first, but don't worry.
2 coats will.
I'm not moving. You can't.
moved.
No. Like I genuinely don't even mind that color, which is odd.
Don't mind. It's not good enough.
For me to say that about a yellow is pretty good.
Is it a yellow or is it a mustard?
Same difference.
No.
Yep.
Not every yellow is a mustard. Okay.
Yellow is yellow. And mustard is yellow.
No, it's
Therefore,
mustard. Okay, so this is called Soft Flame. That's how you got the names mixed up.
oh, maybe.
Soft Flame. So this is like a whited out red, right? Like if you added...
It's kind of corally.
Yeah, corally.
Yeah.
Where are all those frosts coming from? I would like to know. Man.
It wouldn't be a salon life video without the fluffers. So, just saying.
Let's pretend we don't see them. I wipe them with alcohol. I usually don't touch the nails after.
It's a really nice color.
Yeah.
You know what else is really nice? Our fundraiser is almost at its end.
Yes, $80-something left that we would like to raise.
Yep.
So we're almost done. It's for Carlota Goggles.
Yeah, and they are a greyhound, a dog rescue and rehabilitation center.
So check out the links in the bottom.
You'll
read more.
Go check them out.
Okay, so this one is Wooded Bliss. And someone suggested that it's very close to Married to Mauve, and it's not. Married to Mauve is more kind of purplish. It's closer to Fuji Love. So check out the other video. This is excellent color. That's for sure. Very, very classic. Great for fall.
Yeah. Speaking of which, I actually thought this one right here was going to be a little closer to lobster roll, but macaroni, like when you put them side by side, they are not even close.
Especially shellac. Yeah.
Like they're very different.
This one is great.
I can't remember what we had as a close comparison, but yeah, definitely wasn't lobster roll.
Okay, so that one was Wooded Bliss.
Yes.
And now, this one, it's called, that's the one that I can't pronounce. So it's Books and some kind of a French wine.
Yes. We actually had a very nice
viewer tell
us exactly how to, like,
pronounce
Beaujolais
it,
or
yeah,
something.
I forgot how to pronounce it.
A friend from Montreal.
Ah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So they told us how to really pronounce it. So yeah, look at that brush. They're really well cut, I have to say.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is nice.
It's a very nice color. Very, very, very nice.
Very easy to apply.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, very good. So now we only have one nail left, so we're going to do the Verbena Velvet.
Leave the best for last.
Yeah, your favorite, purple.
Purple.
All right.
Again, this was another one that I went hunting to try and find something comparable, and
yeah, there's not that much, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, and unfortunately, I don't have a lot of Vinylux. I mean, I have quite a bit.
No.
Don't get me wrong, I do have a lot, but I don't have all of them. So I'm like, I don't have too many of them because I don't have all of them. Oops. All right, so we'll see if this one covers in 2 coats. All right. Okay. Excuse me?
Sorry.
Okay. I need you here now.
I'm here.
All right, so second coat of the wrapped in linen.
Mm-hmm.
So the second coat I like to float on a little bit more. And still keeping it not dripping.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm. The first coat feels quite dry already, which is really good. I would always suggest drying the first coat as much as you can. As much, yeah, this is dry. It's interesting because a coat applied on the second coat, a coat of color applied on a base coat, even if the base coat is completely dry, it takes longer to dry than on top of a nail. I noticed that. So this is quicker drying for sure because it just does not have that base coat. Apply a little bit more. Okay. And this one could be, it's actually covered really well, but you have to be gentle with this one because it might, especially the second coat, you have to kind of float on. Oops.
Oh dear.
Okay, we're gonna do this one first because I don't want the other one to drip.
By the way, we have...
Actually counted?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. That's why I've been a little quiet. Currently, within eyes view, I can see 120 Vinylux colors.
Okay. Did you count the other ones that are sitting there?
No.
Okay.
Just the ones that are on the wall.
Wow.
And that's just Vinylux. And I haven't, like, we're not talking about what are in containers still, in some, you know.
Okay, let me just do this one now. Yeah. So I have many, but I don't have all of them. What can I say?
It's kind of crazy to think that.
Like, yeah, I have a few, but I don't have that many.
Yeah.
It's 120.
Yeah, viewable. Or I should say at least countable, because I can see the other ones, but I just can't count them.
Okay, hold it like this a little bit.
Okay.
All right. And now we are going to do the mauvey one, which is the Wooded Bliss.
Wooded Bliss.
It dries a little bit darker. Nice and creamy. Really nice formula. 3 swipes, perfect. Yeah, even the, what do you call it? Mount Ridgemore. This even covers Mount Ridgemore. which is a very good sign.
Yeah, if you can cover Mount Ridgemore in like one coat, holy moly. If you can do it in two coats,
then that's very good too.
Hey, you know what? That's great too. There's very few that can conquer Mount Ridgemore in one shot. Let me tell you what.
Oh, this one is nice.
Actually, there's quite a few of the DD that can cover in one shot. Anyways,
it's like a kind of a darker. No, it's like a brick red, kind of.
You know
not
what?
a
That's
tomato.
a great, brick, not quite tomato.
No, tomato is brighter.
Tomato. Yeah, much more. Yeah.
You should have a name for this nail as well, because it's quite. Whoa.
Lumpy bumpy.
Okay, the purple has a little bit funny brush, and this nail is difficult to cover, and it's not covered perfectly. You see, there is a little patchy.
It's like the Mariana Trench.
Oh God, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna clean it up a little bit. Then later I'm gonna go in with the brush and clean them. But this one seems a little challenging. Mind you, this is challenging nail.
My nails are just challenging, period.
And there you have it.
Look at those.
Yeah.
The CND Vinylux Wild Romantics. Yes.
Is it? Romantics.
Yes.
Okay.
Wild Romantics. In all its glory.
Or is it Wild Romance?
Oh. I think it's Romantics. Yes.
Yeah, Romantics.
Yes, we got it right.
Okay, so I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit, and then we're going to take some pictures.
Oh, yes. You can go check those out on our Instagram.
Yeah, and we're gonna put them at the end of the video as well. Yeah. Okay, so this is it for today. I'm not gonna bother with the top coat. But yeah, let us know what you think about this collection. I know a lot of people are going to be quite happy because of these colors, especially the mustardy one, because a lot of people were asking for these colors. So, and there's always good to have reds. So.
Yes.
Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon. We're gonna do the shellac colors next.
So be ready.
Be ready for the second video.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ciao.